How to use ESPN Plus PGA Tour live stream. To use the ESPN Plus PGA Tour live stream, open the ESPN application first of all, or simply launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the ESPN.com website. Once you're here, navigate to the Watch section. All you have to do is once you're here, select the golf category or simply tap on this browse option, and within this sports catalog, scroll towards your left and you should be able to find the golf section over here. Once you find the golf section, all you have to do is tap on it, and from here you will be sent to this golf window. From here you can simply select the live golf hub from this viewing menu, and you can also check the tournament availability and schedules over here. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.